Welcome to today's session on data manipulation with Pandas. In this lesson, we will explore data frames, perform data cleaning, and divide and dive into basic data manipulation techniques that will help you analyze and manipulate data effectively using Python. Let's begin by understanding data frames. A data frame is a powerful 2D labeled data structure similar to a table or a spreadsheet and is one of the core structures in Pandas. You can create a data frame from a dictionary of lists. For example, a simple dataset of name and age can be turned into a data frame using the pd.dataframe method. Alternatively, we can also load data from external files like CSV files using the pd.readCSV function. Now let's take a look at how we can explore data frames. You can display the first few rows of a data frame using the head method. To get information about the data frame, including the data types and any missing values, use the info method. And for statistical summaries of the numerical columns, the describe function will give you insights into the data, such as the mean, standard deviation, and more. Next, let's dive into data cleaning. It's common to encounter missing data in real-world datasets. You can identify missing data using the isNull method. If you want to fill missing values, the fillNA method is your friend. For example, filling missing ages with the mean value of the age column. If you prefer to remove rows with missing data, the dropNA method can do that as well. Data transformation is also essential in cleaning. Sometimes you need to rename columns to make them more meaningful, which can be done using the rename method. Additionally, you need to change the data types of certain columns, such as converting the age column to a float. You can also add new columns to your data frame. For example, adding a new column that calculates a future value or modifies existing data. With a clean data frame in hand, let's explore how to filter and select data. To select specific columns, you can access them by using the column name like df age. To filter rows, you can use a conditional statement. For example, selecting only rows where the age is greater than 30. You can also use the log function for more complex filtering and conditional assignments like marking people over 30 as senior. Now let's discuss sorting and aggregating data. To sort data, we can use the sort values method. For example, sorting by age in descending order. You can also sort by multiple columns, for example by age and then by name. For aggregating data, we often group data by certain categories. The group by method allows us to group the data and perform operations like calculating the mean age of each group. Let's now put these concepts into action with a practical example. Imagine we have a CSV file containing some data. We can load the file into a data frame using pd.readCSV. Once loaded, we check for missing values using the isNull.sum method. We then fill missing values or drop rows with missing data. This is a crucial step before doing any further analysis or transformation. Continuing with the example, we may want to perform data manipulation, such as adding a new column that categorizes people as young or old based on their age. Finally, after cleaning and manipulating the data, we can save the cleaned data frame back to a CSV file using the toCSV method. Once you have mastered basic data manipulation, there are additional topics worth exploring. You can learn how to merge multiple data frames using the merge function. Another useful technique is creating pivot tables to summarize your data. Finally, Pandas also offer robust tools for handling time series data through pd.toTime, toDateTime, and resample methods. To conclude, today we explored the core functionalities of Pandas for data manipulation. You learned how to create and explore data frames, clean data, and perform common manipulations like filtering, sorting, and aggregation. Remember, the ability to manipulate data effectively is an is an essential skill for any data analysis or data science task. Keep practicing, and soon you will be comfortable using Pandas to work with complex datasets.